Hi, my dear students. How do you do? I think you are keeping fine. What about the classes and activities? It is going well, isn't it? Okay. In the last class, in the Victor's channel class, I think there is a poem, The Echoing Green, isn't it? When will the nature become more beautiful? Can you tell me? Yes, the nature will be at its best when it is full of greenery, isn't it? Will it be? In spring season, the nature will be at its best, more beautiful, isn't it? That spring season, the nature will be at its in full greenery, and the flowers, and the animals, birds, human beings, all are very happy. It will be at its best, isn't it? Yes. Now in this echoing green, now here is the telling about the greenery. What do you mean by the echoing green? Can you tell me what is echo? What is echo? I think most of you know what is echo. When we are talking or singing the song, and if we give a echo, the effect of the echo, we know what is it. Echo is a reflection of the sound. When our sound will hit on a surface and it come back to the listener, to our ear, that is the repetition or the reflection of the sound. Is it? നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ നമ്മളൊരു കിണറിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ വന്ന് ഒച്ചയിടുകയാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. അപ്പം നമുക്കതിൻ്റെ എക്കോ കേൾക്കാം, നമ്മളുടെ സൗണ്ട് തന്നെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കേൾക്കാം, അത് തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നത് കേൾക്കാം. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് അവർ സൗണ്ട് വിൽ ഹിറ്റ് ഓൺ ദ വേൾ ഓഫ് ദറ്റ് well and come back. That is the reflection of that sound. That is the echo. But here, the echoing green. ഇവിടെ എക്കോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ എക്കോ അല്ല ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. Echoing green. The echo of the greenery. That means the coming back or again the repetition of the greenery. How is it? Can you tell me? എന്താണ് ഗ്രീനറിയുടെ എക്കോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? കമ്മിങ് ബാക്ക്, വീണ്ടും വരുന്നു എന്നാണ്. ഹൗ കെൻ യു ടെൽ ഇറ്റ്? ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, നൗ suppose a tree. In which part of that tree shows you the greenery? Root, stump and leaves are there. And which part show you the greenery? Yes, of course, that is the leaves. Leaves show the greenery. Now, for the leaves, listen me. For the leaves, there are new leaf will be there, and the strong leaf will be there, and the yellow leaf. What do you mean by yellow leaf? Okay, I will show it. Okay, listen here. Now here are the new leaves. Listen, they are the new leaves. It's growing. Now other leaves are here. Yes, there's a very healthy leaves, strong leaf, isn't it? And can you, come on, what is this? What is this? These are the yellow leaf. Yellow leaf means then that leaf will fell off. That means it is not strong, it is very weak, isn't it? That newborn leaf, new leaf, strong leaf and weak leaf. That means the same as the happened in our life also. The life of the human being also the same. What is it? Can you tell me? Which are the different stages of a man or a human being? Which are the stages? There are mainly 3 stages are there. Childhood days, young days and old age stage. Isn't it? Then in the childhood days we'll be very smart, and which stage will show you the strength of the human being, very strong and energetic. Yes, young stage. And in which stage we will become very weak? Come on, tell me. Yes, very good. Old age. That happen. Then that means the status of that nature, and that is very related to the life of the man. Okay. Now here, and for example, one more thing I will tell you. Then think about a day. Which are the 3 times of the day? 3 times. morning, noon, and evening. In the morning, everybody will wake up from the sleep, and we are getting ready to become smart. And which time will be very strong and smart and energetic? Yes, at noon. And we are doing the work at that time from morning to evening. And which time will be very weak and tired? Yes, that is at the evening. Will be very tired because of the day's hard works, continuous work will become very weak. Isn't it? Yes, that happened. Now the life of that nature or the leaf or nature, that is very closely related to the life of the stages of a human being, and also it is very closely related to a day's work also. I think all of you got the point? Yes. Let's go to that poem, Echoing Green. Take your book and look at it. The sun does rise and make happy the skies when all the living beings are at rest, isn't it? When the sun rises in the sky, and that means that at the day opening of the day, we all the living beings will become more energetic and going to start their work of that day. Same that happened in the sky also. That means when the sun gives the light to the sky become more happy and it will become more, it shines brightly, isn't it? Now, and the merry bells ring, the flowers, leaves, everything will be happy. Merry means happy. And there are the two birds are mentioned in the poem, skylark and thrush. The skylark and thrush, the birds of the bush, sing loud around. In the spring season, nature will be at its best. Now, at that time, the birds are also going to sing the song, isn't it? And when it's morning onwards, the children will be very happy because they are going to start their games, sports or games in that echoing green. Okay, that means everywhere the echo, the greenery is there, and all the living beings, animals and birds and everything will be very smart and energetic at that time, isn't it? And this stanza shows a particular time of a day. Can you tell me what is it? Which is it? Can you tell me? Yes, the morning. The time, the morning. This stanza shows the morning. Okay? Okay, look at the second stanza of that poem. There are also 10 lines. Old John with white hair does laugh awake here. Do you remember that test channel class? There appeared a man, John, an old man. But now here, John means John denote an old man. An old age കാണിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി മാത്രമാണ് John എന്നൊരു പേര് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. And with white hair. What denotes that white hair? Yes, old age. Isn't it? Okay, right. Now they are sitting under the oak tree. They mentioned that tree, that oak tree. Do you remember? Yes. The old people are sitting under the oak tree. What are they doing there? They are watching. They laugh at our play and soon they all say, these old people are watching the children play, children's game. They are watching it and they recall their memories. What are they? Yes, they are telling, such were the joys when we all girls and boys in our youth time were seen in the echoing green. ഇത് തന്നെയായിരുന്നു ഞങ്ങളുടെ ആ ചൈൽഡ്ഹുഡ് ഡേയ്സിലും സംഭവിച്ചത് എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Such were the joys when we were at girl and boys. ഇതേമാതിരിയുള്ള ഗെയിംസ് ആയിരുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ അന്ന് കളിക്കാറ്. എപ്പോഴും at that echoing green, in the greenery, when the nature will be at its best. At that time and spring season, we were playing at that time. They remember that old days. Okay? Now listen, which time of the day shows, can you tell me, this stanza also shows a particular time. Can you tell me? Yes, that is noon. And the first stanza, that shows a particular stage of a human being, life of a human being. Can you tell me what is the first stanza show? Can you tell me? Yes, the childhood days. The first stanza shows the childhood days of the human being's life. And second stanza that shows the young stage of that human being's life, isn't it? And now let's go to the third stanza. Look at the book. Till the little ones weary, no more can be merry, the sun does descend. What do you mean by weary? Tired. The children are very tired. Why? Can you tell me why they are tired? Yes, because of that continuous play, their games, they will become very tired. And there will be no happiness because they are very tired. There will be no merry, happy. Now, sun does descend. When does the sun descend? Yes, the sun will descend at evening. That means the sun is going to set. Sun is going to set means it is going to close that day. End of that day. Isn't it? At the end of the day, all the works and every game, sports, everything will be end. Will be an end to that day. Okay. Now, and our sports shall be no have an end. Round the laps of their mother, my sisters and brothers. Everybody will return to their home at that time, at the end of the day. That means evening. This stanza shows the evening. At that time, everybody will return to their home. That means everybody will, the children may go back to their mothers. Will become very safe near their mother. They come back or they return to their lap of the mother. That happened. The same happened in the birds also. That when can you tell me when do the birds go back to the nest? At the evening, isn't it? That means they are going to take rest in their nest. Evening, all evening, the birds will go to their nest to take rest. Then the children and human being, everybody will go home in the evening after their work. Okay, then are ready to rest and sports no more seen in the darkening green. And there will be, after that, there will be no more sports, isn't it? And that is the sun is going to set, that means going to end, or it is a darkening green. That means അവിടുന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ട് ശരിക്കും ലൈഫിന് ഒരു ആ ഡേയുടെ ലൈഫിന് ഒരു എൻഡ് വരികയാണ്. ബിക്കോസ് വിച്ച് സ്റ്റേജ് ഓഫ് ദ ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീങ് did not hear? Can you tell me? Yes, the old age. Old age. In the old age, the people will be very tired, isn't it? There will be no, that means the smartness, everything will go. Then they will be very tired at that time. Now, in this poem, there are three stages. This poem shows the three stages of the human being. Childhood days. Second stanza shows the young, and the last stanza shows the old age. Or let's say in other words, that is in a day, morning, noon, and evening. The first stanza shows the morning, and second stanza shows that noon, and third stanza evening or night, isn't it? Okay, at the morning, the echoing, then the people all are very smart and energetic, and coming to that end of that day, everybody will become very tired and they are going to take rest. I think all of you got the point. Okay, thank you. Here are some questions for you, some comprehension questions. Look at the first question. What makes the sky very happy? Second, which are the two birds mentioned in this poem? Third, what do the all people say when they see children play? Fourth, why do the children worry? Fifth one, what do the children do when the sun descends? Everybody should write these answers in your notebook and take a photo of it and send to me. Okay? Thank you.